Welcome to Reading Time with Loopy Tunes. Alright, because it's the school holidays, we thought we would invite some children to join us. We have Vaiuli and Oriwa with us, and they're going to be reading for you. But we'll start with, what's the book today, Vi? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, no.
Ngā Tohu o Tāwhirimatea. The Signs of Tāwhirimatea. So these two are going to be reading the book, but we're going to welcome you first. Ready? No mai kia koutou kei te pehe a koutou. Welcome everyone, how are you? No mai kia koutou kei te pehe a koutou. Ko te wā pānui me te waiata. It's time to read and say. Now we're not going to read for you, but we're going to click our fingers and disappear, and then these two are going to take over. Are we ready? We'll count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
The book we're going to read today is called Ngā Tohu o Tāwhirimatea.
It is written by Alice Patrick and illustrated by Scott Pearson.
I'm going to read it in Te Reo Māori and she's going to read it to you in English. Ngā Tohu o Tāwhirimatea. He aha ngā tohu o Tāwhirimatea mō tēnei wiki. A te rahina ka puta ngā kapua. A te rā tū ka tangi te whātiri. A te rā apa ka heke te ua. A te rā pare ka puhi te hau. A te rā mere ka whiti te rā. Pai rawa ngā tohu mō te mutunga wiki, nō reira ka haere mātou ki tātahi. Kohi kai moana ai. Now, Olive's going to read it to you in English.
The Signs of Tāwhirimatea. Yeah. What's the weather forecast for this week? On Monday, the clouds will appear. On Tuesday, the thunder will sound. Got to turn the page. On Wednesday, the rain will fall. Just making pancakes. Just making pancakes. On Thursday, the wind will blow. On Friday, the sun will shine. I'm going gardening. The forecast for the weekend is great. So, we'll go to the beach to collect seafood, mussels and fish and others. We're gonna click our fingers and our mums will appear.
Oh! Thanks guys for reading that. That was an awesome book, wasn't it?
That was cute. That was
They're
cute.
pretty good readers. They might take our jobs.
Oh.
Alright, so we thought we'd pair their book, which was all about the weather, with a song that's about a weather dance. So we're going to go to sleep. The kids are going to do our actions for us. We're going to have a moi. And when it's time to wake up, we're going to do some different actions. If you know what the weather is that Leah holds up, yell it out really loud, okay? We're ready? Whew. See the moon high in the sky, it's time to say goodnight. Grab a pillow, curl up small and close your eyes so tight. When we wake, let's look outside and see, what will the weather be? Are you ready? What's the weather going to be like? I think it's cloudy. Are we ready to wake up? Fly through the clouds, fly, fly, fly. 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 Alright, go back down to sleep. That was a cloudy day. I wonder what tomorrow's going to be like. You ready? See the moon high in the sky. It's time to say goodnight. Grab a pillow, curl up small and close your eyes so tight. When we wake, let's look outside and see, what will the weather be? What's the weather like today? It's raining. Ready? We're gonna do some jumping. Jump in the puddles, jump, jump, jump. 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 Alright, so last time going down to sleep, we had a cloudy day, a rainy day. I wonder what tomorrow will be like. Ready? See the moon high in the sky. It's time to say goodnight. Grab a pillow, curl up small and close your eyes so tight. When we wake, let's look outside and see, what will the weather be? Ready to wake up? What is it? It's a windy day. We're going to do some twirling. Twirl in the wind, twirl, twirl, twirl. 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 Jump in the puddles, jump, jump, jump. 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 Fly through the clouds, fly, fly, fly. 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 Yay, we hope you enjoyed that book. Ngā Tohu o Tāwhirimatea. And we hope you enjoyed the weather dance. Have an awesome day. Ka kite.
Adios, amigos.